Hey! Get back on the road, boy. Dude, forget all the other cars. The real baller Monaco.
It's like a $10 million car.
Look at her dress. Her ass cheeks are showing. What the hell, Monaco? Are you kidding me right now? Yes. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Got the LaFerrari coming back. We got more camel cars this way. Spotters going nuts. Got the LaFerrari making a second loop back here. This is the pinnacle of top marks on a Saturday. Crowd is going wild. Look at this. Spotters. Got rally cars. Hold on. Yes. Monaco plates. Dude, guys, I don't even know what that is. The Monaco locals showing up the fuck boys. Yes. Disregard all the other cars here. Look at this color. Monaco plates as well. And there goes the GT2 RS. All the way there. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Got it. Nailed it. Oh. Got fuck boys down there with a camel wrapped as usual. Ooh, a California deer. All their palms are getting sweaty. The anticipation is off the charts. Here we go. Hey. Alright, he's back with the Monaco plate, a short wheelbase Ferrari, flexing on all the fuck boys. Dude, this guy could buy out everyone here. Oh, it's going down. Hold on, hold on. This is the great spot. You see cars down here, see cars up here.
F-spot.
Hey, got more. The Lofts back, and we got the Stallone. Like I said, man, the Monaco locals, man, they're fucking everyone up right now. They're putting on a good show. That's nice.
Enter in the casino.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Yeah. Whoa, they're hustling. He says there's an Enzo at the casino. He was gunning it too, yeah. I didn't catch that, but he was revving and gunning it down here, and bam! He attempted to do a wheelie, lost control. That's game over right there. The police are still handling the situation down there. It was honestly his own damn fault. We got the Enzo. Dude, we got leapers going ape shit right now. Hold on, let's get a... Oh, Murcielago SV. Mercy SV, baby. You get run over. Oh, Enzo and the Murcielago SV is right over there. The Rolls Royce. What else we got? Oh, some American fuckboy. We got the Lotus. We got the AMG GTR. Dude, Monaco. Oh, R6 as well. Yes. It's like a feeding frenzy, like when your fish in the aquarium have been fed for like 3 days. And then you open up the top of the aquarium, you sprinkle that fish food. It's a fucking feeding frenzy, man. Oh, whoa, we got the police. Oh,
They're about to tackle that kid.
hey! Get back on the road, boy. Oh my god. And there's the guy who crashed his motorcycle like an idiot. Mr. Camo. Whoa.
That looks pretty cool, honestly. I think camo is done, but that looks pretty cool.
People up there are making like these animalistic sounds. I don't know what's going on. Everyone's just devolving into like fucking Neanderthals, man. There we go. Holy shit, look at all the people on the street. Oh my god.
He's got his McDonald's with him, look! He's fucking loving it! He's like, get a good thing, man. Just slice that all out, man.
Oh my god.
What is happening?
Dude, look at the mayhem, dude. Hypercar shut down Monaco. Shuts down top marks. Look at that. Dude, fuck boys, hypercars, supercars. Holy smokes. Oh, don't crash, boy. Someone's already crashed 30 minutes ago. Oh, it's official, guys. It's fuckboy o'clock here in Monaco. Launch control. Shooting flames, look.
We'll see him tonight at the impound lot. That I can nearly guarantee.
Yeah, boy.
It sounds like a dying dinosaur. Color me surprised, guys. We got more camel wrapped cars. Jesus Christ. Dude, we got a little bit of Ken Saito. Look at this. Ken Saito, I hope you're watching this video. Tokyo represent in
Trying to kick the arse out here.
The guys are getting pizza here at the casino supermarket. This place is actually called Pizza System. Cheap pizza. It's not half bad. It's probably one of the cheaper places here in Monaco, but oh wait, check out that color on the Porsche. Not too shabby. A lot of crazy cars were out in Monaco earlier, so we're gonna get some food and then we might go back to the tunnel later tonight and check out the impound lot as well. So stay tuned, guys. We've been out for like 12 hours. Still going in strong. Got the Enzo here all by itself next to a GT3 RS. We've seen quite a few of these Porsches all over Monaco. We're gonna actually head towards the hairpin. There's actually a fucking crowd. They shut off parts of Monaco. We had to drive around and end up on this side of Monaco because there's so many people on the streets. So, that being said, we gotta go over there, check out the fucking mayhem, baby. Oh no.
They just shut it down. They just shut down the whole thing. The only way is that. Oh,
yeah, they closed.
720S down, man.
They closed everything.
Corvette down?
Yeah, what is that Corvette? It's got weird lights and everything.
Right.
Hold on, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Ugh.
Oh, that
It's really weird.
It's really, no, I saw it. It's bad.
No, yeah, it's funky, man. So they closed the tunnel. They closed the hairpin. And what is this thing? Yep, it's completely blocked off. Unbelievable. Fuckboys have migrated to the harbor, guys. Here we go. From the hairpin to the tunnel to Fuckboy Boulevard, baby. Hey, it's Ed McBuns, our favorite. Oh, dude, that thing sounds terrible. Honestly. This guy says, send nudes, you get a free lap on the F-Spot channel. That's correct. And we got Team No Limit. Shit, the fucking quadruport. Dude, like if it was like on like a LaFerrari or something, I'd be like, respect. Like, you know, Team Money. The money team with Floyd Mayweather, but Team No Limits, gotta step up your game. Alright guys, we're back at the harbor for round 2 on Fuckboy Boulevard. Quite the party atmosphere. We're gonna check out that SVR debadged SVR right there. It looks to be paint as well. Orange. But I do fear for this man with the orange SVR there. I mean, considering that the Monaco police are working overtime for Top Mark's fuckboy weekend, man, one startup, one little crackle, little pushing the accelerator, dude, those crackles is gonna get this guy impounded. All right, I didn't catch this on camera, guys, but this must be the third or fourth time someone has mistaken our Peugeot 308 for a taxi. No, I'm not even joking. He goes like, are you guys going to Nice? And we're just like, what? No, absolutely not. We're here for fuckboy hour at Top Mark's. Monaco police have officially shut down the entire city. The hairpin, the tunnel, the harbor. We're calling it a night, guys. I'm sorry. We did our best. We did our very best.